Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Hope you all had a profitable day. Today, I want to talk about a stock that I think is personally very undervalued and has a lot of room to grow. And when I put it up against similar comps, it definitely looks undervalued in my personal opinion. And that's ticker symbol CRSR, or Corsair Gaming. They are known for making gaming items and content creation items. We'll dive in and take a deeper look at the company, exactly what they sell. We'll take a look at the analysis of the company, price targets, short interest, because I was actually surprised this company is actually heavily shorted. And just as an FYI, I have entered a position on this stock and I am holding it for the long term, not for 1 year. I'm holding it for the 5 or 10 year growth, and I do have options for this stock going out to 2023, guys. But if you can, do me a huge favor, drop a like down on this video, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you ring that bell for the YouTube algorithm, because it really does help me out a lot as a small YouTube channel here. Also, if you guys can, please double check that you're subscribe to the channel, because I am working my way up to 5,000 subscribers and I would love to get there. And all of you that have subscribed so far, thank you so much for your support. It honestly means a lot to me. And let's dive on in and take a look here at Corsair's website. So Corsair is primarily known, as I knew them as a computer nerd back in college days, as a computer component company. They really started with computer components, making power supplies, cases, CPU fans and memory and all that kind of stuff. Now they've really kind of broadened their horizon, getting in the gaming gear. They have different types of keyboards that have different types of switches, headsets, mice, mouse pads, chairs, and so forth. The huge thing that I really like that Corsair is currently doing right now is they're in gaming, and then they bought a company in 2018 called Elgato, which makes streaming essentially devices like capture cards, stream decks, microphones, lighting, and all that kind of stuff. So they're touching the two huge buckets right now of streaming, gaming, streaming and gaming. And that's huge in my personal opinion, because when you put the two of them together and your PC component company, it is amazing. And if you compare Corsair right now to Logitech, Corsair is trading at $31. Logitech is trading at $125. And guess what, guys? Logitech doesn't have Elgato, which makes all of these wonderful products. I use these Elgato lights and they are absolutely wonderful. They're addressable. You can dim them. You can change anything with them, and they're absolutely beautiful. Corsair owns Elgato. Logitech doesn't make any of these items, and it just blows my mind that Corsair is this undervalued in my personal opinion, while Logitech is sitting here at $125. But let's dive on in and really just take a look at the stock. So $31.74 is where it closed at today. I am going to use Yahoo Finance for this, so I'll include all the links down below in the description of this video. But after hours, we're up to $32. The huge thing here is it's undervalued, and the 1 year target for Corsair is $46.67. So it has plenty of room to run within 1 year. Well, if we take a look here at the year-to-date chart of Corsair, come on, Weeble, why aren't you on the right time frame? We do see that we got up around that price target several times. Well, I can tell you this, Corsair somehow got wrapped in the Wall Street bets. I'm not really sure exactly how it is. Yes, a shorted stock. Is it a heavily shorted stock? I don't know. I don't know the exact answer to that question. But we do see here that we got this one random pop here on 6/14 where it was apparently trending on Wall Street bets, and we have dipped back down to $31. But the stock has really been hovering around this $31 range, and the 52-week low on it is $14. So the fact that we're sitting here at this range is a perfect place, in my opinion, and it's exactly where I entered, because this company is incredibly undervalued. And let's take a look here at the statistics of the company, and this will show you exactly what I mean by undervalued. Trailing PE is sitting at 19.86. Your forward PE is 16.67. It is incredibly valued company. When you look at forward PE, a lot of companies like Tesla are trading at like 70 times their forward PE, maybe even more. I don't know off the top of my head, but the fact their forward PE is trading at 16.67 is amazing and shows that it is a value-based company. Its enterprise value, or EBITDA, is sitting at 12.43 at 3/31/2021, it was at 42.98. So definitely a very good company to own in my personal opinion. Like I said, 52-week low, $14.09. 52-week high, $51.37. And over the last 52 weeks, the stock has grown 124.77%, while the S&P 500 weekly chain 52-week change has been 37.2%. The thing that I want to talk about here, which is really interesting, is a lot of the price targets are sitting here around $47, $48, $49 here in Ortex. Our current price target average is $46.67. Well, the stock is trading at $31.74. It's an undervalued stock. And honestly, I think once Wall Street wakes up and finally takes the gaming industry for real, the stock is just going to shoot through the roof, in my personal opinion. That's just me. But if we want to take a look at the short percentage here, it is sitting at a current 17.14% short interest of free float. And there is 63% of the shorts utilized and all that kind of stuff. I don't think this is a short squeeze candidate, but I wouldn't be surprised if the shorts are the reason why the stock is really just being weighed down, in my personal opinion. Now, if we take a look over here in Yahoo and take a look at the analysis of the company, the huge thing to take a look at is estimated EPS is sitting at 0.28. At the end of the year, 0.46. Next year in March, 0.33. The other thing to take a look at here is the sales growth year estimate is 4.70%. 2021 is 18.9%. Next year is estimated around 6.7%. The other thing that I wanted to talk about here was, let's see if I can find it. Okay, well, apparently I can't, but the company is forecast to be around like 24% growth this year, which is just insane to think about, in my personal opinion. And the fact that Logitech is trading here at $126.83. And if we dive in here and take a look at the statistics of this, Logitech has a higher trailing PE and higher forward PE than Corsair, which is insane. Like, how is this company so undervalued, in my personal opinion? Yahoo also does say that Logitech is undervalued, so take that with a grain of salt. That's what Yahoo says. But the fact that Corsair is sitting at this and has these beautiful numbers, guys, it is a wonderful stock to own, in my personal opinion. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to drop a comment down below. If you want to reach out to me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is down below in the description of this video too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.